Hey Russell fam, today we are going to do a day in the life of a homeschool mom. Be back in just a second. In today's video, you're going to see that Becca just woke up, so I'm fixing to fix her sausage and rolls that she eats for breakfast. And then I'm going to get supper going in the crock pot or the Fissler multi-pot. And then I'm going to show you my typical Monday. We are currently not homeschooling. We are on summer break. We will start back homeschooling the end of September. We just wrapped up last year. So we will start our fall. In the fall, we will start our next year. Becca will be in first. Bailey will be in sixth. So right now, we're not doing school, but it is Monday and Becca is starting her first day of karate today. I've got laundry that I've got to fold and put away. So come along and I hope you enjoy this day with us. Here you are going to see me making some breakfast sausage for Becca. She does not like sausage out of the store. She has gotten used to our U.S. wellness meats. I will leave a link up above in the iCard if you are interested in grass-fed, grass-finished meat. So you will see me making her sausage and rolls here for breakfast. She used to eat sausage and biscuits, and then she discovered she liked rolls. So that's what she eats for breakfast most mornings. And here you see me pouring her some chocolate almond milk. That is all she will drink. I am putting all of my ingredients in my Fissler multi-pot to make my taco soup. I will leave a link in the iCard up above if you are interested to see how I make that and all of the ingredients. Now it is time to unload the dishwasher, load the dishwasher, and clean the kitchen. Am I the only person that does not like folding laundry? That is my least favorite thing. I think I would rather clean the bathrooms than do the laundry.
So good. I would so recommend this yogurt.
Alright, it is lunchtime. I just got done paying bills. I didn't film any of that. And now the kids are eating leftovers. Becca's eating a hamburger we had left over that we made, and Bailey's eating leftover chicken wings. I'm fixing to eat me some lunch, and then we're going to run errands. Alright, we are off to run some errands. Alright, we are headed to Becca's very first karate class. There you go. And Bailey's going to instruct it.
Hi.
Alright, we just walked in from karate. It is on Keep Warm, and the taco soup has no pressure. We're going to open it. We're going to stir it. And we are fixing to eat some supper. All right, the kids are in bed. Dishes are cleaned up from supper. Like I said earlier, we did not do school today. We are currently on our summer break. So you got to see my normal Monday of running errands and the kids both in karate. Becca enjoyed her first day of karate and had a blast. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, just drop them down in the comments below. And remember, as always, to be kind, be careful, be considerate, and have a great day. Bye.